There's nothing admirable or glamorous about overworking yourself to the point that you lose something you can't easily regain, such as time, health, or those unique, precious moments that stay with you for a lifetime. I have been reflecting a lot on the subject because I felt like I've become too focused on work this week, and I prioritize it, as you know, as everyone needs to. This present moment is what I have. I want to embrace it, cherish it, enjoy it, and let my heart take me back to nature. Most of us spent ample time in nature as children, climbing trees, exploring rocks and bugs, or even just playing games outdoors with friends. Little did we know that these fun activities were building our brains, bodies, and characters for later life. Today, ample research has shown that nature exposure has numerous long-term benefits. Outdoor play fosters children's intellectual, emotional, social, and physical development. And by being outside and surrounded by nature, children experience an ever-changing and free-flowing environment that stimulates all the senses. The natural world is a giant, open-ended learning laboratory. Children are innate scientists and love to experience the sights, scents, sounds, and textures of the outdoors. Nature provides countless opportunities for discovery, creativity, and problem-solving. Interacting with natural environments allows children to learn by doing and experiment with ideas. In nature, children think, question, and make hypotheses, thereby developing inquisitive minds. Whether they are judging the distance between two rocks before jumping, or considering where insects go in the winter, children are constantly thinking when they are in nature. These experiences offer real, authentic learning like nothing else can. As children take risks, try and fail, and try again, they gain resilience and confidence. In addition to the individual benefits gained by being connected to nature, there is a collective benefit shared by all of us. Children all over the world play outside, creating a unity of shared experiences. Our children are future stewards of the earth. In order to raise adults who are passionate about protecting the environment and preserving our planet, they must first develop a deep love for it. The only way to enable children to grow comfortable in nature is to open the door and let them out to explore the wonder and awe of the natural world. Smell and touch are powerful senses, and plants have many subtle and not so subtle fragrances, and a variety of textures. Really get close so that you can experience the amazing plants that support our life on Earth through the process of photosynthesis, the remarkable ability to turn sunlight and carbon dioxide into food. As you're getting up close and personal with plants, you may also become acquainted with their visitors, those that come to drink nectar and gather pollen from the flowers, those that come to dine on the leaves, and those that eat the plant's fruit and spread its seeds. If there is a pond around you, notice the way the water flows, what is reflected in it, and any life that lives in, above, or around it. Tune into its soothing sounds. Or you may find yourself drawn to a little acorn that dropped from the trees around you. Try holding them and examining them, getting to know all the details. You may feel joyful, playful, or contemplative as you respond to the natural beauty around you. You may conclude your natural relationship with nature with some solo time spent sitting or lying on the ground and quietly soaking up the beauty and wonder of the surroundings, earth, sky, trees, and other natural features. At this point, you may be amazed by how comfortable it feels to just sit or lie on the ground in quiet harmony with the world around you. You may notice that the birds and animals grow comfortable with your presence. I hope you have a grove of trees or a patch of green space near your home so that you will be able to bring nature into your daily life. The time you spend unplugging from electronics, slowing down, breathing deeply, and engaging all your senses in natural beauty will enhance your health and bring joy to your daily life. Many cultures wove elements of nature's beauty into their cooking vessels, homes, and places of worship. Many people around the world today remain in close harmony with nature, and perhaps you're lucky enough to be among them. The Norwegians have a term that translates as open-air living, describing the Scandinavian passion for time spent in nature. For those of us who have lost our feelings of closeness with nature, we have only to observe our children or grandchildren and remember our own childhood engagements with nature, the deeply rewarding experiences that bring us back to the roots of our heart. To be with nature doesn't require a trip to a large forest. You can find joy in a small patch of nature to revel in its wonder. Thanks for watching, sending you all my love.